Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to create my second Christmas makeup tutorial. This I think gonna be my background music. Anyways, let's move on. Today I am thinking of doing a very beautiful bronzy makeup look with a dark base makeup. Yes, I just wanted to go with a dark base makeup. I mean, the foundation will be a little bit darker than my skin tone. I just really want to try something new, so let's get started with the video. So for primer today, I'm using the Nivea Aftershave Balm as my primer. I'm going to use this all over my face. So for my foundation today, I will be using this L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Stay Fresh foundation, and I always mix the shade 150 plus 320, but today I'm only going to use the shade 320, which is Caramel Toffee. So for my concealer, I will be using this Studio Derma Concealer by PAC Cosmetics, and I'm in the shade B64. For my cream contour today, I will be using this Kryolan Contouring Refill. Now I'm going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder. This is in the shade Banana. Now I'm going to fill in my brows with the Milani Brow Pomade. Now priming my eyelids with the same concealer. For my eye makeup, I will be using this Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and first I'm going to take the shade Morocco and apply that on my crease. Packing the shade first, and with the same brush I'm just blending out in a circular motion. I'm taking the shade Madagascar, this one, and I'm also going to apply this on the crease with the same Pro Arte 23 brush. Now with a clean blending brush, I'm just blending out my crease. Now I'm taking the shade Kenya, and I will be applying this on my inner corner and my outer corner of the eye. Now I'm going to cut the center part of my eyelid with the same concealer. Taking the shade Seba, I'm going to apply that shade just on the outer corner of the concealer, and then I will take the shade Ya and I will apply that on the center of the eye. So now I'm just going to dust off all the baking powder I have on my face with my PAC 214 brush. Applying the same shade Kenya on my lower lash line. And smoking it out with the shade Morocco. Now applying this PAC Long Lasting Kohl pencil in the shade Coffee Brown. Now I will apply some mascara. This is the Rimmel's Candle Eyes Retro Glam Mascara. Now I'm going to bronze up my face with this bronzing shade from the PAC Face Palette. For my blush, I'm using this Shivana color blusher in the shade number 12. And for my highlighter, I will be using this sleek highlighter palette, and I'm gonna use the powder highlighter. And lastly, to just give this look a little bit of color, I'm going with orange lipstick, a rustic orange shade. This is from Color Bar. This is the Kiss Proof Lip Stain in the shade Rustic. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.